Okay, Claudia, let's go over this one more time. Let me get rid of all of my login details. So here is your email to enter. You have all of this information. Okay? You have all of this information. I've sent this to you several times. Okay? And this is your user password. Okay? So here you go. Takes a little bit to log in. Now we're logged in. So this is your learning path. You click right here. All right, so this week you need to finish all of this. You finished this. That was good. Very good. Okay. But you need to finish this, and this. Okay. Now, forum is here. Look, it says forums right there. Okay. So we click right here. And these are the discussions. Okay. So you click right here. That opens the discussion. So these are my instructions. You read those and then you click reply. You type right here, and when you're ready to reply, then you click reply. Okay? Now, the I also asked you to read. I'll go down here. So read everybody's post, what everybody's sharing. You keep scrolling down. Okay, so right here, then I also said read colleagues' posts and reply to at least one of them. So read all of your colleagues' posts, and one that you find interesting, then you just simply click right there on reply and reply to Maricela, for example. If you wanted to reply to Valeria, you click reply. Okay, nothing to it. Hope that helps.